You know what, I love extending my fishing season late into the fall, but there's a couple of really important things that you need to do in order to maintain and protect your boat. And Schaeffer gives us 3 products that I use religiously to protect my investment. Number 1 is the 219 waterproof grease. I use that to hit all the grease zerks, keep my steering system greased up, any other lubrication point that's gonna call for grease. Next up is the Penetro 90 product. What I use this for is covering any exposed metal, whether it's my tie downs, my boat buckles, my winch, my coupler, anything that has exposed metal that road salt could damage. I'm going to use this to not only clean it, but also protect it. The next product is the Citrol, and this is a little secret tip that I can give you to extend the life of your single and dual cable steering systems on your boat, to clean off the old grease, and then I'm going to replace it with that 219 and keep that steering system operating to maximum efficiency.